In this video, we're going to talk about how to play split screen on 7 Days to Die on Xbox. As you can see right here, I have in here this thread on how we can actually do this. This user asking or has been reading there won't be a co-op split screen sandbox style mode for the new console version. So for this case, this actually is ruining the game for them. So as you can see, the user says that they are correct. There will be no split screen screenplay for the 1.0 console version. So will the console edition support local split screen? The answer is no, because due to technical limitations and memory restrictions, this feature is not currently possible on the console edition. This particular excerpt is available on the FAQ of the actual 7 Days to Die. And due to the nature of technology and graphical advancement, split screen becomes increasingly hard due to games get better looking. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.